Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of an automatic accident detection and reporting system. This is an embedded based project. So this is the block diagram. Actually the concept of this project is, so whenever a vehicle met with an accident, the system will automatically report the accident detail to the central unit using the IoT part. So features like gas sensor, vibration sensor, and RPM sensor, and GPS modems. Using these kind of hardware, we are going to implement this concept. Let us see in detail about the block diagram. So first of all, the complete circuit was interconnected in a microcontroller. Actually, we use Arduino microcontroller here. So the MQ3 sensor will detect some abnormal gases inside the car, as well as alcohol detection is possible with this sensor. So if any abnormality happen, this sensor will record the accidental report automatically. And here the MEM sensor, micro electrical mechanical system sensor, will identify the vibrations. So based upon the vibrations, it will activate the accident reporting system. If the accident reporting system by mistakenly activated, means we can able to disable this using this push button. Okay, for example, if you hit some kind of median, or if you have a small crash, if you're not willing to report the accident to the central unit, means we can able to disable using this push button. So and GPS and buzzer will be used. Actually GPS will be used to monitor the live location. So whenever the accident is reporting, it will send the live locations of the particular vehicle. And buzzer, if accident is happened, means it will start turning on the buzzer, so that the people around the vehicle can be aware that some vehicle is accident happened, like that. Okay, so here the wheel kind of setup was made. Actually this circuit was made in a platform way. It won't be integrated in any vehicle. So for demonstration purpose, we integrated a wheel kind of thing, so that we can see the live demonstration using this kind of setup. And here we use Wi-Fi modem, which push all the information into the cloud database. So from cloud database we can able to see the accident report, as well as this project includes a GSM modem, which is not in the block diagram. The GSM modem will send an SMS with live location details, so that the family members or a caretaker or a automatic ambulance reporting system also possible to integrate it with it. So if any accident happen, it will automatically send the location details to the parents or caretaker and a ambulance, so that the people will come and recover the accidented people immediately. So this is how the abstract has been given. So let us see the live demonstration. So this is the microcontroller, Arduino microcontroller, and this is a Wi-Fi module. It is a GSM, GPS, and MEM sensor. So this MEM sensor will identify the accident. This is MQ3 sensor, which detects the abnormal gases in the vehicle. And this is the motor kind of setup. The RPM sensor is fixed to identify the speed of the vehicle. There's a motor driver which is used to drive the motor, and there is a potentiometer which we can able to adjust the speed of that vehicle. The LCD display will completely display the operations whatever going on in the project, and regulated power supply was given using the step down transformer with the voltage regulation unit. So let us start the demonstration. So first if you switch on the circuit, first it will show vehicle accident reporting system. So for this project we need to give the internet connection. So I'm turning on the hotspot with the predefined username and password, IoT, and some kind of password. So if Wi-Fi is connected, it will start showing the operations. So first it's showing the vehicle speed. So I'm adjusting the potentiometer So the motor speed will get increased step by step. The RPM sensor will identify the speed of the vehicle. Actually, this motor is a demo for vehicle setup. So the vehicle is running. You can see the speed like 160 kilometer, 170 kilometer, like that. The RPM sensor will identify the speed of the vehicle and it will display here, so that whenever the accident happen, so the last recorded speed will be calculated, and accordingly we can take an action. Okay, so I'm just turning off into a normal speed. And to identify the abnormal gases, I'm giving a LPG. So here you can give alcohol also. So whenever you're giving alcohol or LPG, the motor will stop immediately, because to avoid the drunken drive. So if you give if the too much of alcohol smell or some leakages of fuel smell is detected, the engine will get turned off immediately. Let us see one more time. If I'm giving a alcohol kind of thing to the sensor, the motor will turn off, and here you can see alcohol is detected in the LCD display. Okay, so what happens means, whenever the alcohol is detected, the GSM modem will send a SMS to the caretakers and road authority that this particular vehicle is driving with alcohol or something, with location details. GPS location will be taken and it will be sent. So let us see the second module of the project. Let me set up the ideal RPM. Okay, now I'm tilting the vehicle, the MEM sensor. I'm tilting the vehicle upward down. Actually, the setup was fixed in a vehicle, right? So if the vehicle is upward down, or if the vehicle is met with an accident, the vehicle will tilt. Some kind of tilt will happen. So I'm tilting the MEM sensor. The MEM sensor is fixed, so I'm tilting the entire circuit. If the accident is identified, immediately the engine will turn off. On the next stage, the GSM modem will get the GPS details, that is latitude and longitude details, and send a SMS to the caretaker as well as the ambulance system. In case a small accident is happen, we'll give a push button so that you can turn off the accident reporting system. So this is how the entire setup has been made. So guys, hope you saw the demo, and hope you can understand the concept. So here, so this is a project report which we give along with this project kit. So the report contains around 58 pages, which includes title, abstract, block diagram, and introduction part, existing proposed system, hardware and software requirement part, modules and module descriptions, and a literature review, and hardware descriptions, which gives you the complete information about the hardwares whichever we used in this project for each and every part. This is a Wi-Fi module, ESP32 model, GPS module, and this is a MQ3 sensor, and buzzer, power supply unit design, so software specification, embedded C and IoT. So like this, finally the conclusion, references. So like this, the report was organized. This report will be given along with the project. So if you require this project, or if you want support to develop your own concepts, kindly contact the number given below, and kindly subscribe our channel, and keep updated about the new technologies and recent trends. Thanks for watching.